Hello peoples! It's already time for the last video of the year, which I think it's amazing. Like, this year went by really fast, even though I haven't been doing videos all year, but you know what I mean. I'm rambling. That's a good start. Anyway, yeah, I thought that I could talk a little about the New Year's resolutions I'm going to make, and one is just that I have to paint more. Like, it's ridiculous. I haven't been painting nearly enough. I've been mostly drawing in sketchbooks all year, even though that's really I've improved a lot by doing that. I'm not dissing sketchbook by any means. I do drawing sketchbooks, use sketchbooks. Sketchbooks are great, but I should paint in top of that a lot more. Like, what I've been doing is not enough. I'll never learn to do anything if I don't do it. Yeah, there's a lot of frustration here. So paint more is the one, and kind of linked to that is I want to get to an artist alley next year. I want to, and I have to, and I will do it. You will see. And that means that I have to do art, surprisingly. So that's the goal. That's the main goal. Time is ticking by, going by super fast, and it's going to be a tough challenge, but I am going to do it. My dream has been to go to an artist alley for years, and now that I'm actually working towards it, I have to do it. The sooner the better. So that's one. Oh, that's the second one. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, please tell me what's New Year's resolutions you have, if you have any, art related or not. Give me some good ideas and stuff like that. I'm really stressed out about the artist alley thing too, because I don't think that my art is good enough to do that, to sell. Because even though the paintings I have been doing are not terrible, they still are usually only portraits of animals or humans or whatever, and I don't know. I can't see anyone wanting to buy anything like that. So I'll just have to work hard and do better and more interesting things. I have some ideas though, because the pictorial composition course I'm taking on Schoolism now is making me do a lot of thumbnails for illustrations and stuff, and I've gotten some quite good ideas out of it. So I think I'll dive more into those and try to get something out of it. So, going to work hard. You also work hard. Draw more, okay? Everyone draw more. And make this world an art place. And yeah, and also tell me your New Year's resolutions. Thank you. And so, the painting going on in the background is a seagull I painted a while ago, and I don't think it's any specific species, which is a bad thing since I'm a biologist and I should draw actual species and stuff, like correct things. And yeah, but that's a mix of two references mostly, I think. And yeah. Well, ignore the species. Don't ask me about it. Don't ask me. But why I wanted to paint a seagull, I had this idea that I would change my profile picture to a seagull because I just love them. They are amazing animals. Most people hate seagulls a lot because of course they are stealing food from your hands and annoying everyone and all over the place, but that's exactly why I love them, because they're so smart. They are using humans against them, they are using humans for their advantage, which is so clever. They're so clever. I love them. Oh my god. Because I'm always pissed off about humans because they take animals places, they're ravage environments, kill the homes of animals, kill animals, and everything just for their own advantage. They don't care about nature and stuff like that. And then the moment there's one animal that fights back and uses humans against them, then humans get really mad and find them a nuisance and a pest and everything. And I just find that humans themselves might be pests from some other animal's perspective, but not going to elaborate about that. Sip tea. So that's about seagulls, and they're so beautiful too. Watch them someday. Next time you are on a beach or a harbor or somewhere and you see seagulls, just watch them, because they are really beautiful and aerodynamic and everything. Really pretty animals, and I just like to watch them. And their interactions also are really interesting to watch. So that's that. Animals are just great. I love animals. I love nature. They're nice. They're nice. I hope everyone else loves animals too and sees how they are beautiful and stops killing animals and stops taking their environments and killing everything where they go. Mostly talking to companies, maybe, because individuals don't do it that much. At least on the most part. I think I'm rambling here and just talking in circles. So maybe I should end this talk here. It's quite long already. Oh, gee, what? I start talking about animals and then surprisingly I'm just rambling all over the place. Excuse me about that. So, love animals, love seagulls, and yeah, draw more. Anyway, Happy New Year, and see you next year. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Bye-bye.